today's video, we are going to discuss about the basic shapes that are required for a good drawing. You will be familiar with most of the shapes. In this class, we will see how to draw them properly and how to get a 2D or 3D form from those shapes. First shape is a sphere. So for getting a sphere, first we have to draw a circle. After drawing this, if you are putting a curved line, it will give shape of a ball. To see the inner surface area, we have to make an oval shape inside this circle. It turns into a sphere. The other shape which we can take from this is semicircle. Again here, by adding this, it changes into a 3D form. Also we can draw this semicircle in the inverted way. It will give a shape of a bowl. So first we drawn a sphere, and after that from the sphere we get two shapes like this. The next shape is pyramid. For this, first make a triangular shape, then from that make a line like this and join this. We get a pyramid. Also for getting cone, you can do the same thing. First draw triangle and make a curved line like this, same as before. This will give you a cone shape. Also you can see some shapes like this. So it is derived from the cone shape only. After making the oval shape, make two lines like this. Again making an oval shape down. Cup like shape. Cube. To achieve the cube or to get a cube, you have to draw two squares. First square, after drawing the first square, from the center of this you can start drawing the next. Then you have to join right upper corners, right lower corners, left upper corners, left lower corners. Here you get a cube. Next is drawing a cylindrical shape. For that, first make a oval shape like this. Draw two lines from the corners. Again make an oval shape at the bottom. Now next one is the rectangular prism. These are the basic shapes which are required for drawing, and I have drawn all the shapes in a single paper for easy drawing. Here I am using cross hatching for the shading of different shapes. First we will start from sphere. So imagine that light is coming from right side. You have to show the shadow also, then only it will be felt as a 3D object. Shadow is very important. See how the sphere is achieving its volume while we are giving the shading. When we are giving the shades, we have to see from where the light is coming, and according to that you have to leave the highlights. This is the highlight for the sphere, this is the highlight. So shade or the depth should be given more in the area where the light is not coming. That is very important. This is a very important shape because we will be doing these shapes for still lives in many forms. So the inner, giving the inner depth, or the like cup, saucers, all those things, we used to do them a lot when we are doing still lives. Pyramid also I am giving this hatching for the shading. You can make the outlines little more darker for the area where the depth is there. In the highlighted areas, the line should be lighter. Actually, we can't define any lines for any object or outlines for any object. All these lines are imaginary only. So, the shades will give the form for the object. It is only required. So, in darker areas, you can use little more dark lines to make it little more clear. when we are shading the curved objects, it will be better to use curved lines for the method, or it will be better to use contouring for shading method. Here also I am giving a darker line towards the depth area. Today's tip: when you are trying to bring a 3D effect on an object, try to maintain 3 tones of darkness near to the shadow, which will help to leave a half tone in a linear way. For example, here when you look at the sphere, you can see that half toned or lighter shade line. The line will run throughout the shape of the object and will be near to the shadow. This type of shading will help to achieve more depth. If we are doing a transparent object, it will be having the inner portion also. But here I am showing all the things with its volume, or it's not transparent, it is opaque only. In our coming videos, there will be transparent objects also, then you will understand it more clearly how to draw things showing their inner surface area also. So now all the forms are completed in its 3D form. Now you are getting a feel that they are sitting somewhere, or they are having a 3-dimensional view, and light is falling from one area, so that portions are highlighted in each objects, and the other portion is having shadow and also depth in the object, which gives the shape to the object. For detailed understanding of objects and drawing the shapes, do watch the following videos so that you will get a better idea how to draw in a proper way. Thanks for watching the video.